Want to play Roblox on your smart TV? Here's what actually works. Most smart TVs don't have a Roblox app, but don't worry. There's no official Roblox app for most smart TVs. But you can play Roblox on your TV using other devices. The easiest way is using an Xbox console. Connect your Xbox to your TV with HDMI. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox. Download and install it. Now you can play Roblox directly on your TV. You'll use your Xbox controller to play. Another method is screen mirroring from your phone. Turn on screen mirroring on your smart TV. Use your phone's screencast feature. Select your TV from the list. Your phone screen will now show on the TV. You'll still control the game from your phone. Keep in mind, there may be slight lag. You can also use a laptop. Connect your laptop to the TV using HDMI. Switch the TV input to HDMI. Open Roblox on your laptop. It will now display on your TV. You can connect a controller for better comfort. Most TV app stores don't have Roblox. Don't download unofficial files, they're unsafe. Always use official methods. Use strong Wi-Fi for smooth gameplay. Stay close to your router. Close background apps for better performance. Xbox gives the best experience. Screen mirroring is easiest. HDMI from laptop is very stable. Use Xbox, mirror your phone, or connect a laptop. That's how you play Roblox on your smart TV. Pair a Bluetooth controller for better comfort. Now you can enjoy Roblox on the big screen. Subscribe for more easy gaming guides. Like this video if it helped. See you in the next tutorial.